Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can block command prompt on your Intune managed Windows computers. After you've logged into Intune admin portal, click on devices. Scroll down until you see manage devices. Click configuration and under policies, click create. Click new policy. Platform is going to be Windows 10 and later, and the profile type is going to be Settings Catalog. Click Create to create a new policy. I'm going to give it a meaningful name. Let's call it Block CMD, and I'm going to click Next. Under Configuration Settings, click Add Settings, and in the search bar, type don't space run. Type it exactly as you see on the screen and press enter. Click on the first result that you see. In here, you will be given this option, don't run specified Windows applications user setting. So this is the setting that we need to enable. I'm going to tick the checkbox, and to the left, you will see that setting appears. And in here, I'm going to turn on the switch to enable this setting. In here, you have to specify what application, what Windows application that you would like to be blocked or disallowed. So in this case, it is going to be command prompt. So I'm going to type the process for command prompt, which is going to be cmd.exe. Once you have specified that, click next. I don't need any scope tags, so I'm going to go ahead and click next. In the assignment tab, make sure that you test this policy with a test group to understand its impacts, to make sure that it is working as expected. So you can click add groups and add it to a pilot group. It doesn't matter whether it's a users group or a device group, even though the setting says it is a user specific setting. Even if you add it to a group of devices, it is going to work the exact same way. So it does not really matter. And I'm just going to select add all devices because this is a test environment, and I'm going to go ahead and click next. And after you have come to this stage, you can simply click create to create this new policy. I'm not going to do that in this example because I have already gone ahead and created the policy to see how it works. This is my policy, and it has been applied to one of the test devices. So let me just go to my test device and show you what the user experience is going to be like. So this is my test device, and if I go to my search bar and type CMD and double click on command prompt, it is not going to open. Even if I go and click run as administrator, it is not going to open. It is not going to throw any errors. It would simply not open when the user tries to open it. That's it for this video. I hope you learned something new. If you did, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you've got any questions, put them in the comments below. I will catch you guys in the next one. Until then, take care and have a good day.